Hi girls, your first assignment for today is to complete some China notes in your China notebook about the Han Dynasty. So you need to open up your notebook. When you get there, come down to slide 23. And when you get there, it will look like this. And we will take some notes together as soon as you have your notebook opened. So the first thing to write down is how the Han Dynasty gets started in that green box. So the Han Dynasty starts when a man named Liao Bong overthrows the Qin Dynasty. He rises to power. He started out as a peasant, and he rises to power and decides to conquer and take over the Qin Dynasty, and the Han Dynasty now begins under him. So here are some of the accomplishments from the Han Dynasty. Be sure that you pause your screen as you need to in order to fill in the information. So the first thing is this. They strengthened the bureaucracy. We looked at this word yesterday, the bureaucracy of China. Here's a definition of bureaucracy. It's non-elected officials, so they are appointed, they aren't chosen by an election, who oversaw different parts of the government and helped to organize China. So there might be a position to take care of the education system in China. There might be a part of the bureaucracy to take care of the food in China. So that's bureaucracy. So they strengthen the bureaucracy. They make it better and stronger. Next, we have that the Han Dynasty reached its peak. It becomes its greatest under the Emperor Han Wudi. Next, we have that civil service examinations for jobs within the government instead of aristocrats getting the jobs. And we talked about this a little bit yesterday. So this idea that instead of government positions being chosen because of your birth, because you were a noble or rich, instead you would be given a government position because you earned it, because you were the best at the job. And the way they determined that was with these exams that they would take, these examinations. And we call this idea when you earn your job instead of are just given it because of who you are, we call this meritocracy. You can see that here. Merit is the root of that word. So you earn it. You have merit. You earn that job. Meritocracy. Also, they use the teachings of Confucius to rule with respect and honor. So legalism is no longer the main system that's going to be used. Instead, it's going to be Confucianism during this time in China's history. And we also talked yesterday about the inventions of the Han Dynasty. We learned that they invented a lot of things like paper, acupuncture, that's the thing with the needles that they stick in your body to relieve pain. A rudder for a boat, which helps to steer it. Water wheels, which would operate machines. And the metal, steel. So many inventions took place from the Han. Be sure that you fill in this page of your notes and then complete your next assignment, which I will be giving you here on another video.